Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and in this video I am going to be reviewing the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Hydrator Mist. So first things first, I'm going to tell you the price of this mist, and I'm going to, in fact, to be honest, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this mist. And if you can listen, I have really used this mist, and I am okay. Let me not give away what I want to say. It's not just your regular mist. It is a mist that is infused with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, Japanese kombu extract, and in turn, what you get is you get radiance and revitalizing hydration, oxygenating skin. It's an oxygenating skin energizer, and you get a smooth, younger looking skin, and it's got pollution defense. So I'm going to tell you about this mist, basically my own opinion, because I've been using this mist since summer, and we're currently in October, so this is autumn. So I can really tell you what I like, my honest opinion, and how this mist is basically in a nutshell. So first things first, this mist cost £35 on Charlotte Tilbury's website, and I actually got it. It was actually PR product. Anyway, yes, I'm just letting you guys know, because on my here I'm like 100% with you guys. Like, if I don't like something, or if I feel there's something off or something that doesn't go well, that I really don't agree with, I mention it, or maybe, yeah, I mention it basically. So I got this as PR when this product just launched, and I was like, okay, it's interesting. So basically, like it says, it's a hydrator mist, and how you use this is after cleansing your skin. So basically, after washing your face, you use this, to hydrate the skin. Basically, this can serve as a toner, as a spray on toner. This can also serve as a serum and even an essence. So you see that it is enriched in amazing products. And yes, so what I basically do with this is that, what I like, how I get the most out of this is by, I cleanse my face. Sometimes I use other toners, because I like to, use toners on cotton pad, wipe my entire face. Then I follow up with this. This is a good hydrator. I tend to use this before I use other serums. Do you understand? Any serum at all, or any other skin product. So this is, in my opinion, a good, like, because it has hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid has everything to do with hydration. Basically, hyaluronic acid also helps to pull in other products. So naturally, hyaluronic acid pulls in hydration from the atmosphere, or yeah, from the atmosphere. So that's why you have to use hyaluronic acid on damp skin. So basically, because this contains hyaluronic acid, so using it before using other skincare products will help to deliver the product into the skin even better. And that's what I found out by using this. Sometimes I use this all by itself. So basically, I just cleanse my skin, spray this on, and then moisturize and go. Or if it's nighttime, if I don't have the time to do other stuff, or if I'm in a hurry and it's the daytime, I just wash my face, spray this on, and then apply my moisturizer and sunscreen, and I'm good. This is truly, like, it's truly magical. It's truly magical, in my opinion, because I find out that when I use this, it feels just like I've used a serum. My skin feels really hydrated, and it feels like rich. It doesn't just feel, some sprays or some mists, when you use, your face feels just like maybe you splashed water, or which is not bad, or something. But this feels like not just the water bit, plus it feels really rich. It feels like your skin, my skin basically, because I'm talking from experience. My skin, whenever I use it, feels plumped up. It feels really rich, and the thing is, you can use this any time of the day. And I like how this applies on food. It has a bit of scent to it, but it's not overpowering. It feels very refreshing. And so you see how this has just made my skin look even more plump. So you can use this at any point in your skincare routine. Or say you feel your skin is feeling dry, dehydrated, and you want to bring back life to it. This is amazing. It's just that this is 75 ml. If it came in small sizes, it would have been amazing for to carry on the plane if you're traveling. You know how dry in the weather can get, but Mm-hmm. This really came in handy while I was at Morocco. Morocco generally is very dry, and I went at the wrongest time. I went during summer. I don't know who sent me. So the atmosphere was so dry. So this came to the rescue. I was always, spritzing my face with this. So in essence, this is totally amazing. It is 100% worth it. So if you are considering getting this, jump on this. This honestly feels very hydrating. It is that one product that when I exhaust this, I see myself repurchasing it. Absolutely. I see myself repurchasing it because it's amazing. And even as a makeup artist, I use this on my clients sometimes. Like when they come to my house, I spritz it just to bring back life, especially before applying. I use this to prep the skin before applying moisturizers and then actual primers. And I use this afterwards when I want the skin to be plump and glowy. So this is truly magical in my opinion. If you are considering purchasing this, I like 100% go for it. And yes, so hyaluronic acid, hydration, niacinamide, anti-inflammatory. So it helps to cool down the skin. It helps to calm redness and all that. And most especially, I use this before I use my tretinoin. I find out that it really works for me because tretinoin or retinol, they're usually very drying. So this works for me. I like to spray this on my face first, but allow it to fully dry before applying my tretinoin or retinol, then, using my moisturizer afterwards. So this is a super product. If you are considering getting it, get it. Maybe the only con I would say, because I like to say pros and cons, all the things I've been listing there, all the pros. And for the con, I'll just say maybe it's just pricey, but I've been using this thing for close to 3 months now, and I don't think I've really gone halfway through it. So is that it's at the price wise, it's actually worth it. It's long lasting, and you won't regret using this. I mean, generally, and I would say this is for all skin types. Products. Have you tried this before? Are you considering trying it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are considering trying it, I would absolutely, you know, encourage you to try it, especially now that we're entering winter or dry season. So this will really come in handy when your face feels dry and chapped and a bit, you need to revitalize it, plump it up. This will really come in handy. And yes, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Suggestions, and I will catch you in my next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.